We are talking with Honey Magpie, Rachel, Pippa, Katie, and Joe. I got your name right? At a 1 in 4 shot. So, first thing I want to know is, tell me about the name Honey Magpie.
Good question. So we came up with Honey Magpie because magpie is a word from one of the lyrics of my songs, Vagabond. So we had magpie, and then we were just playing around with different words, and then somehow or other we landed on honey. That's pretty much it, yeah.
And it stuck.
Yes.
Well, tell me how the band got together.
So, mostly we got together through Craigslist. I posted an ad on Craigslist that I was looking to form a folk band, and then I got a bunch of people responding, and yeah. Pippa, I met through Craigslist. Joe, we met at an open mic, and then Katie we met through a friend. So I guess not everyone through Craigslist, but initially it was Craigslist. Yeah.
Are there artists that you guys love to listen to, that you've learned from, that have also influenced your music?
Yeah, definitely. And I think some of the artists that we are influenced by, we do covers of as well. So we play some Carole King songs, Bob Dylan.
You're the drummer, right? When'd you start playing drums?
I started playing drums when I got good grades in high school, and I earned my drum set. And I've been playing since then. Started with sticks and moved to the brushes for the band.
So what would be your advice to any other people thinking about music and careers and starting groups or just solo careers? What would be the advice you would give them?
I'd say write a lot of music.
Yeah, I would agree with that. Just keep writing, keep at it. Finding a band is not easy, but if you keep trying, you'll find a group of people that are really committed that you can play music with, and it's the best. We love playing together. So.
And have a subscription on Craigslist.
Yes.
Evidently is key. Now, you guys have, is it your first album that's dropping summer of 2017?
That's correct.
Tell us a little about it.
Yeah, well, it's 10 of our songs. Pippa, Katie, and I all are songwriters. So we each have songs that are on this album. And a lot of it is about nature. A lot of our songs are about nature.
So what's a word that you would use to describe the music scene in Raleigh?
Lively.
Yeah, I'd say it's really vibrant. There's a good variety of music around. There's some great venues that we've been really fortunate to play at, and and it's a great place for up and coming bands too, I think. So we're definitely happy to be here.